Privacy VPN honest review. Watch before using. Most people get VPNs wrong. They either choose slow services or assume privacy is guaranteed without checking features. Privacy VPN promises fast, secure, and private internet browsing. The surprising truth is how versatile it is for streaming, torrenting, and bypassing geo-restrictions, and you won't believe how simple it makes online protection. Here's how it works. Privacy encrypts your internet connection, masking your IP address and location. It offers servers in over 100 countries, split tunneling, and kill switch options. Users can browse, stream, or download safely, while maintaining privacy from ISPs or hackers. For example, someone in the UK can access US streaming content without restrictions, while protecting personal data. Most people get this wrong. They assume all VPNs are fast and secure, but Privacy provides reliable speeds and strong encryption protocols, including OpenVPN and ICAV2. Additional features include malware protection, split tunneling, and compatibility with multiple devices, including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and smart TVs. Customer support is available 24/7 via live chat. However, there are considerations. Speeds vary depending on server location, and some streaming platforms actively block VPN IPs. Most people assume a VPN guarantees total anonymity while Privacy improves privacy. Safe browsing habits are still essential. In conclusion, Privacy VPN is ideal for users seeking secure, fast, and versatile online protection. With global servers, encryption, and extra features, it balances privacy, convenience, and accessibility for both casual and advanced internet users. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of VPNs and online security tools.